Hey everyone, this is Nate, and I am going to show you our multi-location posting functionality. Now, to find the multi-location post, you can go to any of your locations, go to the drop-down under the posting, and select multi-location post. I'm looking at the interface of the multi-location post, and the only thing that is going to be different from a regular post is this locations input right here. Briefly, for the regular posting, we have the standard, the event, and the offer type. Each post type is going to have some specific post attributes. So an offer post might have a coupon or a link to redeem the offer, while an event might have a start date or an end date, as well as a start time and an end time. And then the standard post is only going to have an optional call to action. Moving down, we do have our post content here. So this is going to be the summary of the post or what goes into the post. Then we're going to have our image gallery, and you can click this button. You can choose to either upload your own image or use one of our royalty-free images from Unsplash. Scheduling is exactly the same as the single post. If you want to find out more about that, just jump over to the training video on the single post. And then, like I had said, the only difference here is going to be this locations dropdown. Now, you can add locations either one at a time by clicking through your locations under the locations heading, or if you have locations that share a tag, you can go ahead and come into the tag section at the very bottom and then select that tag. Once you've done that and you've composed your post, when you press submit or when you schedule it, that will go ahead and schedule all of your posts to the multi-locations that you've selected. Please keep in mind, if you have a franchise that has 10 or more locations, you will be restricted from using any of the posting functionality. And then the last thing I do want to touch on is the location variable functionality. So let's say that I had 10 locations in this input right now. I could say something like our address, or let's say our name is, and let's say location.name in this squiggly brackets here. And what that is going to do is allow you to reach into the location that you're posting to and grab specific attributes. So if you head over to our help docs and look for the location variables article, you can see here that these are all of the variables that you have access to. Now, if you are posting this to 10 different locations, when it goes to each location, you could use any of the attributes for that location that the post is going live to. This is a bit of a contrived example, but you can imagine if you wanted to post the phone number for 10 locations, those would be unique, or the description, or the business hours. All of the attributes can be optionally used with this templating system. Now that is it for multi-location posting, and if you need any help with that, feel free to hit us up on live chat and we can give you a hand.